Hello students, continuing the same chapter mensuration. Now we are going to solve questions of exercise 20D. Now see question number 1. Find the area of the triangle in which base is 42 cm and height is 25 cm. Now we know that area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height square unit. So here we have base 42, height 25. Put this given value in the formula. We have 1 by 2 into 42 into 25. Calculating this, we have 21 into 25, that is 525 centimeter square as the area of the triangle. Now next one is base is 8 decimeter and height is 35 centimeter. So first we have to convert it in a single unit. Here we have two different units, that is decimeter and centimeter. So first we have to convert it in a single unit. So let's see the conversion table: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So to convert this decimeter into centimeter, we have to multiply it with 10. Now area of triangle, as we know that 1 by 2 into base into height square unit. So put the given value in the formula. We have 1 by 2 into 8 into 10 and into 35. Calculating this, we have 4 into 10 into 35, that is 1400 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Now see the next question. Now question number 2. Find the height of a triangle having an area of 72 centimeter square and base 16 centimeter. Now we have to find the height of the triangle. Height. Now what is given? Area is given and base is given. So see the solution. Given base 16 centimeter square, area 72 centimeter square. Now we know that area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. So here we have formula of area, and area is given, that is 72 centimeter. So we can equate it. This is area and this is area, so we can equate it. Now we have base and we have to find height. So 1 by 2 into base 16, let height be h, is equal to 72. Now transfer this all unit to the right side. We have height is equal to 72 upon 8 and we have height is equal to 9 centimeter. So height of the triangle is 9 centimeter. Now moving on, third question. Find the height of a triangle region having an area of 224 meter square and base 28 meter. Now here we have to find the height. Area and base is given. So let's see the solution. Given base 28 meter and area is 224 meter square. We know that area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. So this is the formula of area, and area is already given, so we can equate it. So we have to find height. Now transfer this all unit to the right side. We have, or calculating this, we have 14 meter into height. Now transfer this 40 meter to the right side. We have h, that is height is equal to 16 meter. So height of triangle is equal to 16 meter. Now see the next. Now number 4. Find the base of a triangle whose area is 90 centimeter square and height 12 centimeter. Here we have to find base, area and height is given. Now let's see the solution. Given that height is equal to 12 centimeter and area is equal to 90 centimeter square. We know that area is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height, and area is already given, so we can equate it. Now put the value of height in the formula. We have 1 by 2 into, let base be b and height is 12 centimeter, is equal to 90 centimeter square. Now calculating this, we have base into 6 centimeter is equal to 90 centimeter square. Now transfer this 6 centimeter to the right side. It will become divide. Now base is equal to 90 divided by 6. We have 15 centimeter. So the base of a triangle is 15 centimeter. Now see the next question. Number 5. The base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. Base is 3 times its height if the cost of cultivating the field at rupees 1080 per hectare, here it is per hectare, is rupees 14580. So we have to find its base and height. Now according to the question, the figure is this. Let height be x and base is the 3 times of height, so base be 3x. Now see the solution. Let the height of a triangular field be x and base be 3x, because base is the 3 times. Now rate of cultivating of field is given 1080 per hectare. It is per hectare. Now total cost is given 14580. Total cost is given, rate is given. Now Dividing total cost with rate, we have the area of the field. So area of this triangular field is equal to total cost divided by rate. Now we have 14580 divided by 1080 hectare. This is the area, and we also know that area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base into height. So putting the formula of area, and area we know that 14580 upon 1080, this is the area, so we can equate it. Now equating it, we have the base 3x, height x. Transfer this 1 by 2 to the right side, we have 13.5 into 2, it is in hectares. It is in hectares. So here we have 3x into x, 3x square is equal to 27.0 hectare. Now x square is equal to 27 upon 3, we have 9 hectare. Now we have to convert this hectare into meter, and we know that in 1 hectare 100 into 100 meter square is the area. In 1 hectare 100 into 100 meter square is the area in 1 hectare. Now 9 hectares, so multiplied with 100 into 100. Now we have to find the value of x, so transfer this root to the right side, we have x is equal to 9 into 100 into 100, and we have 100 coming out. Take out 100 from this, and 3 into 3 9, take out this, take out 1 3 from this, 2 3 into 3, we have 3 into 100, that is 300. So x is what? X is the height, so height is equal to 300, and base is equal to 3 into 3, that is 900. Now moving on next question number 6. The area of a right triangle region is 129.5 centimeter square. If one of the sides containing the right angle is 14.8 centimeter, find the other one. Now here we have the area of this right triangle and the one of its side, or say one of its leg. Now according to question, the figure is this. Here one of its leg is 14.8 centimeter and area is 129.5 centimeter square. And we have to find the length of the other leg. So let's see the solution. Given that one of the sides containing the right angle is equal to 14.8 centimeter, one of the side is given and area is given. Now we know that area of right triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into leg 1 into leg 2, or say product of its leg. So here we have leg 1 is equal to 14.8 centimeter and we have to find the length of the other leg. So let the other leg be leg 2. Here calculating this, we have 14.8 divided by 2. Now transferring this to the right side, we have leg 2 is equal to 129.5 divided by 7.4 centimeter. Now here we have calculating this, here we have leg 2 is equal to 1295 divided by 74 centimeter. We have 17.5 centimeter, the length of the other leg, or say the length of the other side. Now moving on next, question number 7. Find the area of right triangle whose base is 1.2 meter and hypotenuse is 3.7 meter. Here we have to find the area of this right triangle. What is given? Base is given and hypotenuse is given. Now see the figure, base is given 1.2 and this is called hypotenuse, 3.7 meter is given. We have to find the, first we have to find the length of the other leg. To find the area of right triangle, we have to find the length of the other leg, because we know that area of right triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into leg 1 into leg 2, or say product of its leg. So see the solution. Given that hypotenuse is 3.7 centimeter and base is equal to 1.2 meter. Now we have to calculate the height, this one, or say leg 2, leg 1. So for height we have to apply Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square minus base square under root hypotenuse square minus base square. Now put the value in this formula. We have 3.7 square minus 1.2 square. Here we have 13.69 minus 1.44. Calculating this, we have 12.25. Now let's find out the square root of 12.25. We have 3.5 into 3.5. Now take it out one number from the pair. We have height is equal to 3.5 meter and we have to find the area. So area of this right triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into product of its legs. So the leg 1 is 3.5, leg 2 is 1.2, so multiply it. We have 0.6 into 3.5 and it is 2.1 meter square, the area of this right triangle. Now moving on, next 8 number. The legs of a right triangle are in the ratio 3:4. Legs of right triangle are in the ratio and its area is 1014 centimeter square. We have to find the length of its leg. Here we have legs in the ratio and area. Now let the legs of the right triangle are 3x and 4x respectively, and its area is 1014 centimeter square, and we also know that area of right triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into leg 1 into leg 2, and here we have area, so put the value of area 1014 centimeter square, and the formula of the area, that is 1 by 2 into leg 1 into leg 2. Put the value of leg 1 and leg 2 here. Here we have 3x and 4x. Now calculating this, we have 3 4 is 12x. Transfer this 1 by 2 to the left side. We have 1014 into 2. Now transfer this 12 to the left side. We have 1014 into 2 upon 12. Calculating this, we have 1014 upon 6. Now dividing it by 6, we have 169 is equal to x. So the legs of the right triangles are first 3x, that is 3 into 169 centimeter, we have 507 centimeter, and the other leg we have 4x, so 4 into 169 centimeter, we have 676 centimeter as the length of the other leg. So students, listen it very carefully and solve it in your copy. Thank you.